Hey Dragons, this is part 2 of the Unit 3 review. I know problem 5 got cut off a little bit, so we're going to go ahead and finish that. We got through A and B in the first video. That was 2,000 and for the y-intercept, 16 for the x-intercept. And what I was talking about on the last video before I ran out of time was that instead of trying to find a small slope triangle, let's use the ones that we clearly know. We know this is 0, 2,000, this is 16, 0. So let's make a big old slope triangle. And this goes down, so it's negative 2,000, and this goes right, so that's a positive 16. So my rise over run is going to be a negative 2,000 over 16. And if you crunch those numbers, you'll see that that's equal to negative 125. So my slope is a negative 125. The number of yards left to walk after 6 minutes. Take 6 minutes right here. Take your pencil, go straight up until you hit the line. Once you hit the line, hook left. That'll take you to your y-axis, and it will take you to your answer, 12,500 yards. Okay, problem number 6. Do you have your calculator? On all these transformation problems, I want you to have your calculator. The parent goes in first in your y1 equal button. I want you to type in the parent. So in this particular case, we have a linear parent, so it's y equals x. All right? And so the next one, it's a different letter, means it's a different function, different equation. Don't worry, just go to y2. Go to the next line in your calculator. And since f of x is equal to x, all you need to do is type in 5x and then do a comparison. So, as I take a look right here, I'll try to get this in there. Got to turn it on. Go to your y equal, clear everything out. All right, so here, in y1, we're going to put the linear parent, which is x, and then we're going to go down to the next line. We've got a different function, different line, but it is 5 times the parent, which is x. So this makes it easier, and we're going to see what happens. There's the parent, and the other guy comes in at the same y-intercept, so there wasn't a translation up or down, but it is definitely steeper. Steeper. We got an answer? Yep, we do. It's right there. Use your calculator. I beg you. All right, over here, the function r of x is graphed. Doesn't matter what they call it. They could call it Waldo. Who cares? The function r of x is graphed below. Here we go. What's the 0? You have to know that a 0 is an x-intercept. And the x-intercept, where does that line cross the x-axis? It's right there. What's your answer? Yes, indeed, it's 2. Problem number 8. How does the graph of g of x equals quantity x plus 2 squared plus 4 differ from the graph of the parent function? All right, parents, go first. You got your calculator, but this is a quadratic. Let me get this up here, see if I can get this to where it